Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Rinder's stash. First, you'll need to accept the Rinder's request quest. Make sure your character is at least level 15 before attempting this. You'll also need to gather 3 specific items: a worn map, a rusty key, and a cryptic note. These items are crucial for unlocking the next steps and guiding you toward the stash's hidden location. Once you have the items, follow the worn map to the Whispering Woods. The map will lead you directly to an ancient oak tree. Near this tree, search for a small, overgrown cave entrance, cleverly concealed behind a cascading waterfall. The cryptic note you found earlier contains a riddle that points to the precise coordinates of 42. 7 north, 74. 3 west, confirming your location. Inside the cave, you'll find a heavy wooden chest. Use the rusty key to unlock it. Be ready for a challenge, as 2 formidable guardian golems protect the stash. Defeating them is necessary. The chest also requires a simple 3-digit code. This code is cleverly hidden within the cryptic note you acquired earlier, so review it carefully for the solution. Rinder's stash holds some excellent rewards. You'll find 500 gold coins, a rare enchanted sword, and a valuable gem. The enchanted sword boasts a 15% chance to inflict bonus fire damage, making it a powerful asset. For an easier time, consider bringing a friend along, as the guardian golems can be quite strong and challenging to defeat alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.